Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from webcity.com, and today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how you can create an awesome e-commerce website by using one of the most popular best-selling e-commerce WordPress theme named as Impreza WordPress website and WooCommerce builder theme. By seeing the sales number, you can easily understand how much popular this theme is. Not only that, but also if you come to this website, here you can see in 2022 best-selling e-commerce WordPress theme, this Impreza is coming in number 4th position. There are so many reasons behind this theme's popularity. Let me discuss them one by one. This theme comes with most popular flexible WooCommerce builder. By using this theme, you can actually create almost all type of WooCommerce page. You can create your own custom product page, product listing page, cart page, checkout page, thank you page, etc. Not only that, but also this theme comes with a live page builder. As you can see here, that is a live page builder. You can easily customize anything without any kind of coding knowledge by using this live page builder. Suppose at the place of the best deal for today, I want best deal for week. So just here actually I have to change. At the place of the today, I have to write week. Once I change here, as you can see here, it's immediately affected in the website, and after that just I have to click in the update option. So in this way you can change anything in a website. No need to have any kind of coding knowledge. I can assure that if you watch this tutorial from starting to end, after ending this video tutorial, I am sure that you will get sufficient knowledge to create this kind of professional e-commerce website by your own. Also, this theme comes with almost 50 plus different kind of demo layout. As you can see here, these demos are looking very professional, and you can import those demo in your website by just a single click. Whatever the demo you want to install, just you have to click on that, and after that you have to select which content you want to import. If you want to import everything, then you have to select all, and after that just you have to click in the import option. The entire demo template will be inserted in your website within some minute. It's really an awesome feature. Also, this theme comes with various kind of element for creating awesome website. As you can see here in my left hand side, there are so many professional element is present in this theme, and by using them you can create a awesome website. In this tutorial I'll teach you almost all the elements functionality. So after ending the video tutorial, you will get a detailed knowledge about this Impreza theme. Another most important feature of this theme is this theme comes with inbuilt form builder. You no need to have to install any third-party plugin. As you can see here, by using this themes form builder, you can create almost every kind of custom-made form, and they are really look very professional. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to create the custom form. So please watch the entire video without skipping. Also, this themes comes with advanced portfolio and the gallery option. By using this theme, you can easily create this kind of professional-looking portfolios. Also, this themes comes with lots of themes customization option. As you can see here, these themes have lot of theme customization option to give your website a awesome functionality and looks. Also, this themes comes with inbuilt header and footer builder. As you can see here in this website, I am going to use a custom header. Not only that, but also this theme provides you almost 15 different kind of professional looking header template for your website, and you can import this header template in your website by just a single click. Also, you can see this themes comes with page block option, and here you can easily create reusable blocks. So by creating a block only single time, you can reuse it anywhere in your website without creating it second time. It will save you a lot of time. Also, this themes comes with inbuilt mega menu features. As you can see here, when I hover on the shop option, this kind of professional mega menu will open. Also, this themes comes with robust typography function. You can easily upload your custom font in your website by using this theme. Also, this themes comes with translation support and RTL support, so you can create your website in any language. So now, without wasting time, let me introduce you with the demo website what I am going to create in this video tutorial. So at the top of the website, here you can see the top bar that contains all the social media links, and after that here you can see my mail ID, and after that here you can see my contact number. After that here you can see the logo and a big search bar. After that is the main menu bar, and here you can see a drop down that contains order, account details and signed out option. And after that here you can see the mini cart icon. When I hover on that, here you can see the mini cart preview also opening. And after that here you can see the beautiful slider with lots of animation effect. It's really looking very awesome. And after that here you can see some important categories of the website. After that here you can see the best deal for the today, and here you can see some product categories. Suppose I'm clicking on the women's dress, so the product related to the women's dress are displaying here. It's really awesome features. If you scroll down here, you can see the testimonial slider, and if you scroll down more here, you can see some icon boxes, and next here you can see the newsletter form, and after that here you can see the footer that contains social media links, and after that here you can see some quick navigation links, and after that here you can see the contact information. In the downside, here you can see it asking me to accept the cookie policy. If you want to accept, then you have to click in the OK. And in the downside, here you can see the copyright line, and that is the payment gateway image, and that is the back to top icon. Now let me come back to the About Us option or About Us page. So here you can see a pretty good looking About Us page. Now let me come back to the shop page. So you can notice one thing, when I hover on the shop option, this kind of professional mega menu will open. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to create this mega menu. So in the shop page, here you can see the title, and after that here you can see the filter that contain product category, product price, product capacity, color, size, etc. And here you can see all the products, and that is a infinite scrolling, means when you're scrolling, more product will be load automatically. As you can see here, I'll open the product later. Before that, let me come back to the blog page. So that is my blog page. It's really looking awesome. And if I click on the FAQ page, so here I can see all the FAQs. It's really looking awesome. Let me come back to the contact us page. So in the contact us page, here you can see all the social media links, all the contact information, and at the right hand side here you can see a beautiful contact us form. Now let me come back to the shop page. Let me open this product, and that is actually a custom made single product page. I'll teach you how to create the custom made product template, so don't worry about that. So in the top here you can see the breadcrumb, and after that here you can see the product name, product rate, and here you can see some product meta like product color, product size, etc. And after that here you can see the product in stock or out of stock, and after that here you can see the quantity selector option, and after that here you can see the add to cart option, and that is the product details. If you scroll down more, here you can see some related products, and that is the previous post and next post option. Suppose I am clicking on that, so the previous product will open like that, and if I click on the next one, then next product will open. Now let me add the product in the cart. So for that I have to click in this add to cart option. Once I click on that, so here you can see this product already added in the cart. So from there you can see two options. One is view cart and another is checkout. Suppose I am clicking on the view cart option, so that will redirect me in the cart page. So that is my cart page. It's really looking awesome. So in the cart page, here you can see the product details like product price, product quantity, etc. And here you can see a coupon code form, and here you can see the update cart form also displaying here. If I click in the process to checkout, it will redirect me in the checkout page. So that is my checkout page that contain all the billing details, shipping details, and here you can see the order details. In the top here you can see it asking to log in. So let me click on that. So it asking login ID and password. But suppose you are a first time user and you don't have any login ID and password, then you have to create one. So for that, let me click in the account details option. So from here you can see the login and register option. So first of all, let me register. So for that, actually here you have to enter your Gmail ID, and after that you have to enter the password, and after that you have to click in the register option. Once you successfully register, you will redirect to this page, and that is your my account page actually. So now let me come back here and click in the checkout page. So that is my checkout page, and here actually I have to enter my first name, next last name, after that company name, that is optional, and next here actually you have to enter your street address, town, state, pin code. After that you have to enter the phone number, and after that here actually you have to enter your email ID. And once you enter all the thing, from here actually you have to choose the payment method. Suppose I am choosing cash on delivery, and after that I have to click in the place order. So in this way a customer can create a order, and after completing the order you will redirect to this page, that is the thank you page for the order, that contain all the order details like billing address, shipping address, order number, etc. So in this way a customer can create a order. Now let me teach you how as a admin you can process the order. So for that, first of all I have to open the admin panel. So that is my admin dashboard. So from there actually you have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the order option. So as you can see, you already get a order before 56 seconds. Now let me click on the order for opening the order, and here you can see all the order details like order billing details, shipping details. Suppose as a admin you already complete the order, so from the status actually you have to choose completed, and after that you have to click in the update option. So once you as a admin you already complete the order, now again let me come back to the customer window or customer page. So from here let me click in the order. So as you can see my order already completed, because as a admin you already complete the order. So now it's showing the order already completed. If you want to see the order details, you can always click in the view option, so you will get all the order details like that. So now for building this website, actually I'm not going to use any real domain or hosting account. I'm going to use local server name as XAMPP. I mean this one. So from there actually you have to click in this first link apachefriends.org, and after that you have to click in the download option. Next, if you a Windows user, then you have to download this one, I mean the latest version. If you a Linux user, then you have to download this one, and if you a Mac user, then you have to download this one. So I'm a Windows user, so I have to download this one. Okay, I already downloaded and installed the XAMPP, so I'm not going to do it again, but you have to do it. So once you successfully download and install the XAMPP, and after that you have to search for the XAMPP control panel. You have to open that. Once you open that, it will look like that, and from there you have to click in the start option for the Apache and the start option for the MySQL. Once they're ready, they will become green in color, and at the time you have to open a new tab and you have to type localhost, and from here you have to click in the phpMyAdmin option. So from there actually you have to create a database. So for that you have to click in this new option, and here actually you have to give the database name. Suppose I am giving the database name as Impreza 10, and after that I have to click in the create option. So as you can see, my database already successfully created. Next, what you have to do, you have to open this link I already gave in the video description. From there you can click and directly come back to this page, and from here actually you have to buy the theme. Now if you don't want to buy the theme, for the practice purpose actually just pause the video and go to the video description. There I'll give a link. Just click on the link and download everything in a single folder. It will look like that. So here you can see a image folder, so that contain all the images what I'm going to use in this video tutorial, and after that, that is the theme file, and that is the plugins what I'm going to create in this video tutorial. So next, what you have to do, you have to open the folder where you install the XAMPP. Suppose I install the XAMPP in the F drive, so I open F drive, and after that let me open the XAMPP. From there you have to open this htdocs. Next you have to open a new tab, and after that you have to type wordpress.org. From there actually you have to download the WordPress. Let me click in the get WordPress option for downloading the WordPress, and after that I have to click in the download WordPress. So as you can see here, my WordPress already started to download. Let me click in the open option. So that is my WordPress file. Now let me open the htdocs. So from there what I have to do, just drag and drop this WordPress folder inside the htdocs. Wait for everything get copied. It will take some time, please wait for that. Once everything get copied, let me close this one, and I have to rename this one. So right click and click in the rename, and I am giving the name as Impreza 10. Let me open that. Now what I have to do, you have to open the WP content. Now open the folder which link I already given in the video description, and here actually you have to open the themes folder, and after that just right click and click in the copy, and here actually you have to paste that. At the same time, what you have to do, come back here, open the plugins, delete all default plugin. After that open this plugin folder, select everything, and after that copy everything and paste it here. It will take some time to copy all the plugins, so please wait for it. Once everything get copied, what you have to do, you have to open a new tab, and after that you have to type localhost / that directory name. Next you have to click in the enter key, and you will come back to this page. From here you have to choose your language, and after that you have to click in the continue option, and after that again you have to click in the let's go, and here actually you have to enter the database name. The database name is Impreza 10, and after the username that will be root. Password I did not required, so remove it. Let me click in the submit option. Again I have to click in the run the installation. After that here actually I have to enter the site title, and here I have to enter the username. I am giving the username as admin. Password also I am giving as admin because it's a dummy website, but I highly recommend use a strong user ID and password. Again I have to click in this confirm password option, and after that here actually I have to enter my mail ID. Next you have to click in the install WordPress option. So next again you have to click in the login, and after entering user ID and password again you have to click in the login option. So that is the WordPress dashboard. From there you have to hover on the appearance, and after that you have to click in the themes option. So that is the theme. Let me click in the activate option. So once you activate the theme, this window will open. So from there you have to click in this install and activate App Solution Core plugin. Click on that. So from there you have to activate all the plugin one by one. So let me activate all the plugin one by one, and after that let me come back. So every time what you have to do, if you come back to another window, again you have to hover on the Impreza, and after that you have to click in the add-on. Okay, you will come back to this page. Again you have to click in the activate option. So let me activate all the plugins. After successfully install and activate the WooCommerce plugin, you will come to this page. From there you have to click in this keep setup store details, and after that you have to click in the no thanks. So again you have to hover on the Impreza, and after that you have to click in the add-on option. Let me install and activate another important plugins also. I think those plugins are enough. If you need other plugin also, always you can install that. So once you successfully install and activate all the required plugins, you have to click in the media. Now open the folder which link I already give in the video description. I'm asking for this folder, and from here you have to click in the images. By pressing Ctrl and A key at a time, you can select all the images, and after that just drag and drop them like that. Wait for all the images get uploaded one by one. So as you can see here, all the images already uploaded. So now actually I have to set up the WooCommerce. For set up the WooCommerce, first of all I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that I have to click in the settings option. This page will open. From there, here actually you have to enter your store address. Now here I have to enter country/state. So I am from Telangana. So let me search for the Telangana, India. This one. And after that, here actually you have to enter your postal code. After that, in the general option, it asking the selling location. So you want to sell your product only in a single country or some specific countries or entire world. So I want to sell my product actually only in India. So I am choosing sell to specific countries. And here let me choose India. This one. And after that, shipping location. Where do you want to ship your product? So I want to ship my product only in India. So here also again I am choosing ship to a specific countries only. And here I am choosing India. This one. Okay. So next, from here you have to enable the taxes. Scroll down. What will be your default currency? I want that should be Indian rupees. So here I am choosing Indian rupees. Okay. And after that I have to click in the save changes. So once it's saved, I have to click in the products. Here actually I am keeping everything as it is. Just in the measurement, the weight measurement unit, let me change in gram. Okay. And after that I have to click in the save changes again. Now I have to click in the tax tab. So here actually I have to add a custom tax class. So in India, tax is also known as GST. So here in the next line, let me write GST. Okay. And after that again I have to click in the save changes. So once it's saved, in the top here you can see the GST rate. Let me click on that. After that I have to click in the insert row option. Here I have to enter the country code. For India, the country code is in capital IN. After that, what would be the tax percentage? Suppose the tax percentage is 8%. Okay. And after that I have to select both of the checkboxes, and after that again I have to click in the save changes. Next I have to click in the shipping. So here actually first of all I have to add the shipping zone. For adding the shipping zone I have to click in the add shipping zone, and here actually I have to enter the shipping zone name, that is India. And after that I have to click in the add shipping method, and here I have to choose flat method, and after that again I have to click in the add shipping method. Hope you understand the process. So now actually I have to click in the flat rate, and here I have to enter the shipping charges. Suppose I want for each and every product the shipping charges will be 50 rupees. So here actually you have to enter 50. After that you have to give the star sign, and in bracket actually you have to write QTY in small letter, and after that you have to close the bracket. Next you have to click in the save changes. So after that what I have to do? I have to create a shipping class, because sometimes it happens that a seller selling a very lightweight product as well as very heavyweight product, like a seller shipping shoes as well as refrigerators. For the refrigerators, obviously the weight is more compared to a shoes. So the shipping charges of the refrigerator will be more compared to the shipping charges of the shoes. So for the heavyweight product, better to always create a separate shipping class. So for that actually you have to click in the shipping class, and after that you have to click in the add shipping class here. After that here actually you have to enter the shipping class name. Suppose I am giving the class name as heavy, and now I have to click in the save shipping class. If you want to add some description always you can write, but I am keeping everything as it is. Okay. So next again I have to come back to the shipping zone, because now I have to specify the shipping charges for the heavyweight product, because now I have to specify the shipping charges for the heavyweight product. So for that again I have to click in the India, and after that again I have to click in the flat rate. Now you have to remove the rate from here, and that rate actually you have to enter here, and the product which is belong to the heavy shipping class, for that suppose I want the shipping charges will be 250 rupees for each and every product. Okay. Hope you understand the concept. And now I have to again click in the save changes. So next actually I have to come back to the payments tab. So by default WooCommerce provide 3 different kind of payment option: cash on delivery, direct bank transfer and check payment. Suppose from here I want cash on delivery, so I am enabling that, and after that again I have to click in the save changes. Now let me teach you how to add a external payment gateway. For external payment gateway integration, I am going to use a very popular payment gateway named as Stripe. So for adding the Stripe payment gateway, you have to add a extra plugin. So for that again I have to hover on the plugin, and after that I have to click in the add new option, and here actually now I have to search for the Stripe. So many plugin will appear for the Stripe installation, but I highly recommended use this one, the Stripe by WebProfi. Okay, click in the install now option. After installation finish, you have to click in the activate option. Next again I have to hover on the WooCommerce, and after that again I have to click in the settings option. Again I have to click in the payments option. Now as you can see, there are so many options already added here. So from there you have to enable this one, this credit/debit card dash type, I mean this one. Okay, so after that you have to click in the manage option for that. Now here the title I want it should be credit/debit card. Even in the description also, even in the pay button also, I want credit/debit card, and from that you have to enable this one, and after that you have to click in the save changes. Now what I have to do, I have to click in this WebProfi Stripe. Okay, and open a new tab, and you have to search for the stripe.com. Click in this stripe.com. So I already have an account, so let me click in the sign in option. So after that you have to enter user ID and password, and after that again you have to click in the login option. So it asking the verification code. So I already received the verification code in my mobile. Let me enter that. And once you successfully enter the verification code, it will automatically redirect to the Stripe dashboard, as you can see here. So that is the Stripe payment dashboard. From there you have to click in this developers option, and after that you have to click in the API key. So here you can see two keys. One is publishable key and one is secret key. So let me copy the publishable key, come back here, and make sure it should be in live mode. Okay, and here actually you have to enter the publishable key. Again come back here, copy the secret key, come back here, and here actually I have to mention the secret key. Hope you understand. And after that you have to click in the save changes. Let me sign out, come back here. So the Stripe integration is done. So again I have to hover on the WooCommerce and click in the settings option. So after that directly come back to this account and privacy option. From here actually I have to enable this one, this one, this one, disable this one or uncheck this one, scroll down again, and again I have to click in the save changes. I think that's enough. So now actually I have to create the product category. For creating the product category actually you have to hover on the products, and after that I have to click in the categories. So by default one category will be there. If you want you can keep it as it is. If you want to edit, always you can edit that also. Let me add a new category. Suppose the category name is bag, and after that scroll down, here you can see the upload/add image. Click in this, come back to the media library. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image for the bag category, and after that let me click in the use image, and after that I have to click in the add new category. So in this way you can add a main category. So now let me teach you how to add the subcategory. Suppose the category name is handbag, and in the parent category I have to choose bag because I want to create the subcategory for the bag. After that again I have to click in the upload/add image. Suppose I am choosing this image, click in the use this image, and after that again I have to click in the add new category. So in this way you can add the subcategory. Let me add another subcategory for the bag like laptop bag, and here in the parent category I have to choose bag, and after that again I have to click in this, and suppose I am taking this image, use this image, and after that I have to click in the add new category. So hope you understand how to add the main category and subcategory. Always keep remember, when you are adding the main category in the parent category it should be none, and when you are adding the subcategory, then in parent category you have to choose the particular category for which category you want to add the subcategory. Okay, so next what I have to do, let me teach you how to add attributes. So for that actually you can click in this attribute option. Suppose I am adding the attribute name as color, and after that I have to click in the add attribute option. So in this way you can add the attribute. Suppose now I want to add some value for the color attribute. So for that directly you have to click in the attribute name, and after that suppose let me add the value as red. After that I have to click in the add new color. After that blue, like that you can add the value for the color attribute. Okay, hope you understand. Let me add another attribute. Again I have to click in the attribute option. Suppose another attribute name as size, and let me click in the add attribute option. So as you can see, size attribute already added. Now let me add some value for the size attribute. So for that again I have to click in the size option, and after that here actually enter the value for the size attribute like large. Again I have to click in the add new size. After that medium, again I have to click in the add new size. So like that, in this way you can add the value for the attributes. Okay, so now let me teach you how to create products. For creating the products, I have to click in the add new option downside of the product. So for adding the product, first of all I have to enter the product name. After here actually I have to enter the product description. Next here actually you have to upload the product image. Click in this. Suppose from the media library I am choosing this image. Click in the set product image, and now I have to add the product gallery image. Click in this. Suppose I am taking this image and this image as product gallery image. Let me click in the add to gallery. After that I have to choose the product category. So that is belongs to the bag category, and the subcategory is handbag. Okay, so now after adding the product category, come back here. So in this drop down I have to choose the simple product, because here actually I am create a simple product. After that here actually you have to enter the product regular rate like 600, and if any sale going on, then you have to enter the sale rate like 480. And after the product is taxable or not, yes, the product is taxable, and the tax class is GST. Now come back to the inventory. So here actually you have to enter the product SKU, means stock keeping unit, and every product should be have a unique SKU. After that manage stock, if you want to manage the stock, always you can enable that. Suppose you have total 60 product in stock, so here I am writing 60. And after that shipping, so here actually you have to enter the product weight like 350 gram, and the length is 100 centimeter, width is 80 centimeter, and height is 50 centimeter. I am entering some random value. If the products belongs to the heavy class, then always you can choose heavy, but as you can see it is a bag, so it's a lightweight product, so I am choosing no shipping class. Okay, I mean for the normal product you have to choose no shipping class. Hope you understand. After that link product, if you want to add some upsell product or cross sell product with this, then always you can mention the product name here. That is my first product, so I can't able to add any product here, but after creating all the product I will teach you how to add the upsell product or cross sell product. So next, that is a simple product, so no need to add any attribute. So after that, if you want to add some product short description, always you can write it here. After that you have to scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in this way actually you can create a simple product. Now let me teach you how to add a variable product. It is very important concept. So for adding a new product, again you have to click in this add new option. Suppose the product name is laptop bag, and after that here you have to enter the product description. Product image I will add it later. Directly come back here. So from this drop down I have to choose variable product, because I am going to create a variable product, and from here I have to choose GST as a tax class. Inventory I will enter it later. Shipping also I will enter all the information later. Directly come back to the attribute option. So from here actually you have to choose the attribute name. After that I have to click in the add option. Suppose from here I am choosing blue and red. After that I have to check both of the check boxes, and next I have to again click in the save attribute. So now let me add some another attribute like size attribute. After choosing the size you have to again click in the add option. Again I have to check both of the check boxes. Now from here I have to choose the value, and after that again click in the save attribute option. Now I have to create the product variation. So for that I have to click in this variation, and from this drop down I have to choose create variation from all attributes, and after that again I have to click in the go option. Again I have to click in the OK. So after that one pop-up will appear that 4 variations successfully added, because I add total 2 value for the size and 2 value for the color. So total 4 variation already added here. So from there, first of all I have to choose the default value. Suppose I am choosing blue, and from here I am choosing large. Okay, you can choose anything. Next, click in this. So blue color and large size, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image. The rate suppose I am entering as 600. If any sale going on, always you can enter the sale rate. After that product weight, suppose 350 gram, and after that I have to enter the length, height, width, etc. It's a dummy website, so I am keeping them default only. Now again I have to enter the shipping class, so it belongs to heavy or not. All the information you have to enter. It's quite similar actually. If you want to add some description, always you can add it here. And after that click in this blue color and medium size, click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am choosing this image, click in the set variation image, and here the rate I am giving suppose 500 and the sale rate is 450. If you want, always you can schedule the sale also by clicking in this, like the sale is going on from 12th of the August to 31st of the August, okay? And after that again you have to enter the weight, dimension, etc. After the red color and large size, click in this. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, rate suppose I am entering 700, and after that for this one, I mean the red color and medium size, click in this. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the set variation image, rate suppose I am giving around 750, okay? I am entering some dummy information. Scroll down and after that again you have to click in the save changes. So in this way you can add all the variation and you can set the rates, okay? So once you done, now actually here I have to enter the product image. So by default, as you can see, I choose blue color and large size. So I have to choose this image as a product image actually. Click in this, and from the media library I am choosing the exact same image, okay? After that again I have to click in the set product image. Next I have to add the product gallery image. The process is quite similar. Click in this. Suppose from the media library, suppose I am taking this image. By pressing Ctrl key at a time you can select multiple images. So suppose I am taking these two images for the product gallery image, and after that let me click in the add to gallery. And now actually I have to add the product category, that is belong to the bag, and the subcategory is laptop bag. After that if you want to enter the product tag, always you can enter, but here I am not going to enter anything. Scroll up and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in the similar manner, let me add some more product in different category with different attributes. So as you can see here, I already created so many product in different category. Now let me teach you how to add the upsell product and cross sell product. Suppose for the first product, I want to add the second product as a cross sell product or a upsell product. So for that, I have to open the first product. I mean, I'm opening this modern party dress. Scroll down. So here you can see the link product. Click on that. Suppose I want to add the second product as a upsell product. So here actually I have to enter the product name. It will automatically search the product name. Suppose that is the product name. So this product is now add as a upsell product for the first product. Okay, hope you understand the concept. Now let me click in the update option. So it's done here. So now actually I have to create the home page. For creating the home page, I have to hover on the pages, and after that again I have to click in the add new option. Title of the page I am giving as home, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Once it published, I have to click in this edit live option. My homepage should be look like that. So first of all, actually I have to design this slider. For designing the slider, click in this and click in the exit to dashboard. Scroll down and after that I have to click in the slider evaluation. Next I have to click in this new blank module. After that I have to click in the start guide, click in the next step, go to editor. After that, from here I have to enable notebook, tablet and mobile because I want a responsive slider. Next I have to come back to the layout option, and from here the height, suppose I am taking 600 for the large device, 600 for the desktop. After that 500 for the tablet, similarly 500 for the mobile devices also. After that I have to click in the save option again. So next what I have to do, I have to click in this, and from there I have to choose colored. As you can see, my first slider background image is light pink color. So from here actually I have to choose light pink color. So that is the pink color, and after that I have to decrease the opacity. I think that's perfect. Let me click in this. After that hover on that, and after that I have to click in this text, and from here I have to choose quick style headlines, and from here suppose I am taking this one. Close it. Now come back to the content, and here actually I have to write beauty for all. Next I have to resize it little bit. I think that's looking quite perfect, and I want that should be black color. Click in this and make it black color. After that again hover on the text and click in the quick style content. From here suppose I am choosing this one. After that close it, come back here in the content, and here I need this text. Scroll down. I have to increase the size little bit. I think that's perfect. Now that also have to make black color. Next I need a button also. Click in this, and from here suppose I am choosing this one. Close it, and here come back to the content, and here I am writing browse the bestsellers. Scroll down. So next I need an image. Hover on the add layer and click in the image, drag it down here, and after that come back to the content, click in the media library. From the media library, suppose I am taking this image. After that I have to click in the insert option. Next I have to resize the image little bit. Just drag it like that. Next, I think that's quite perfect image size. Now let me click in the save option. Next what I have to do, I have to switch back to the notebook preview. So in the notebook preview, let me resize them little bit. You have to do it according to your content. Make it little bit larger. I think that's perfect. After that, let me click in the save option again. Now let me switch back to the tablet preview. So as you can see in the tablet preview, it's coming like that. I'm keeping everything as it is. Just let me reposition them little bit. After that, let me switch back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview, I want the image should be in top. Drag it down. This one also, even this one also. Now just resize the image a little bit, make it a little bit bigger image. I think that's looking quite perfect. Come back to the size and pose, make it center aligned. Now resize it also little bit. Scroll a little bit down and select that, make it center aligned. Click in this and make it center aligned. Now I have to resize this also a little bit. After that I have to resize the button also. Next click this and I have to make it center aligned. After that click in this button also and make it center aligned. Okay, everything is looking quite perfect. Now let me switch back to the desktop preview, because now I have to add the animation effect. So for adding the animation effect, you have to select the layer, and after that you have to click in the animation. From here, whatever the animation effect you want, you can always choose. Let me select the other layer also and add the animation effect for them also. Let me add the animation effect for the image also. And after that, if you want to play with the timeline, always you can do that. It's up to you. Next, let me click in the save option. So now actually I need another slide. As you can see in the demo website, there are total 2 slides. So for this one, actually I need this orange color background. So let me hover on the slide and let me duplicate the slide first of all. Click in this. First of all, I have to change the background color. Click in this, and suppose I need this color. After that, I have to make it okay. And after that, I have to change the content also. Click in this and come back to the content. So suppose here I am writing this one. After that, I have to change the image also. Click in this, click in the media library. Suppose I am taking this image, click in the insert option. And after that, again, I have to resize the image little bit. I think that's look quite perfect. Remaining, I am keeping everything as it is. And after that, let me switch back to the notebook preview. So in the notebook preview, I have to resize the image. That's nice. Again, let me come back to the tablet preview. Everything looking perfect. Now let me come back to the mobile preview. So in the mobile preview also, I have to resize the image little bit. I think that's looking quite good. Remaining, I am keeping everything as it is. Click in the save option. So now actually I have to add the navigation. For adding the navigation, let me first of all come back to the desktop preview. Next, I have to click in this, and from there, suppose I want arrow, enable that and scroll down a little bit. So here you can see, so always make it up, and after that, let me click in the save option. So my slider is ready. Now again, I have to come back to the home page. So for that, click in this and click in the pages. Now hover on the home and click in the edit live option. So first of all, actually I need a text block. So just drag and drop the text block here like that. Now open the dashboard in a new tab, and after that I have to click in the slider evaluation. From there, click in this, and after that actually I have to click in this embed option. Now just copy the first line code, I mean this one, come back here, and after that click in the text, remove everything from here, and after that I have to write the code here, and after that I have to click in the update option. Once it updated, let me refresh the page once. So after refreshing, as you can see, my slider is coming perfectly. So after that, I have to design this category session. So for that, actually first of all, I need a row or new session like that, and after that I have to click in this column, and from here I have to make it 3 because in a single row I need total 3 column. Now again I have to click in the plus option, and here for each column I need a inner row. So just drag and drop the inner row like that, and here actually I need total 2 column. Even for the mobile also I have to make it 2 column. Column gap, let me decrease it and make it 0.1 rem. Next column content position I have to make it middle. Come back to the design option, click in the background. So here actually I need this color. So now after adding the background color, let me click in the plus option and let me search for the image. So drag and drop the image here like that. Click in this, and from the media library, suppose I am choosing this image, click in the select, and after that again I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I need a text. Just drag and drop the text in the first column, and here I have to write woman's dress. After that click in this, and here I am choosing H4 tag. I think I have to give some padding, so again I have to click in this inner row, come back to the design, come back to the spacing. So padding from all side, let me give around 10 pixel. Okay, now it's looking quite good. So now we can do one thing. Here you can see the duplicate option, click on that. Again I have to click on that. After that I have to delete this, and again I have to delete this one. Now click in the second one. So here actually I have to change the text. So here actually I have to write man's dress, and let me change the image also. Click in this, click in the delete option, click in the plus option again. Suppose I am choosing this image, click in the select option. Now click in this, and here actually I have to write watches. Click in this image. First of all I have to delete the image, click in the plus option. The media library, suppose I am choosing this image, click in the select option. So now let me check the responsive preview. Okay, it's looking quite perfect. Now in this also it's looking perfect, but I think the gap is too more. I don't want that much gap. So you can come back to the desktop preview, and I have to select this one. Come back to the column. Here actually I have to remove the gap. I think 1 rem will be enough, or 0.9 also will be okay. Okay, now let me switch back to that laptop preview. That is the tablet preview, and that is the mobile preview. Everything is perfect. Again switch back to the desktop preview. So next actually I have to design this session, I mean best deal for today's session. So you can come back here, and here actually I don't want this top gap. Okay, as you can see between this session and this session there are a lot of gap, so we can easily remove that. Click in the session, and from here I have to come back to the design option. Here you can see the spacing, just padding top and bottom, just make it 0 and 0. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. I have to do the same thing for the first one also. I mean for this one, click in this and come back to the design option. Here also in the spacing, padding top and bottom, let me make 0 and 0. I think the bottom side I need some padding, so let me take around 50 pixel. So next what I have to do, let me click in this plus option and drag and drop the row session downside like that. Now here click in the plus option again, drag and drop the text here like that, and my text will be best deal for today. Let me make it H2. After that come back to the design option, click in the text, and I have to make it center aligned. After that again I have to click in this plus option, and here you can see the grid, just drag and drop it downside like that. Now from this drop down I have to choose products, and whatever the category you want to display you have to choose from here. Suppose I want woman's dress, after that I need man's dress. Just type 2 to 3 letter, it will automatically search the category. Okay, suppose I just type man, it automatically search the man's dress. Okay, now I need perfume, just I am typing PER, it automatically search the perfume. And beauty product, item quantity, make it 4. Remaining here I am keeping as it is. Come back to the appearance, and from here let me choose the shop modern. After that column, let me make it 4. Space between, if you want to reduce the space always you can do that. Suppose I am taking 1 rem. Now come back to the filter. So in the filter by, that will be product category. Filter by style, I am choosing second style, and filter by alignment I have to make it center. Remaining I am keeping as it is. Now let me check the laptop device preview. Okay, it's coming perfectly. In the tablet preview it's coming like that, and in the mobile preview as you can see it's coming like that. Okay, everything is looking quite perfect. So after that actually I have to design this testimonial. For designing this testimonial slider actually, first of all I have to add some testimonial. For adding the testimonial you have to open the dashboard in a new tab. So after that here you can see the testimonial, click on that. After that I have to click in the add testimonial option. So here let me add some dummy information, and after that here actually I have to give the author name. After that here actually you have to enter the author role. Next here actually you have to enter the author company. After that author URL, if the author have any website then that website URL you have to enter here. After that what is the rating given by the person you have to enter. Suppose he give 5 out of 5 rating, so here I am choosing 5. After that I have to add the author photo, click in this. Suppose from the media library I am choosing this image. After that I have to click in the set feature image. After that I have to click in the publish option. Now for adding another testimonial, again I have to click in this add testimonial. After that again I have to add the content. After that here actually I have to enter the author name, author role. After that I have to enter the author company name, author URL, rating. Now I have to set the feature image. Suppose I am choosing this image, click in the set feature image and try to add the feature image size is 150 by 150. Okay. After that scroll down, click in the publish option. In the similar manner let me add some more testimonial. So as you can see I totally add total 4 testimonial. Now you can come back here. First of all I have to refresh the page once. Now scroll down and here you can see the row or session. Just drag and drop it down like that. Now click in this, come back to the design, come back to the spacing, top and bottom padding I am making it 0 and 0. Next what I have to do, I have to click in this plus option, drag and drop the text here like that, and my text will be this one. Make it H2, come back to the design, click in the text and I have to make it center aligned. So after that again I have to click in the plus option and here you can see the carousel. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Now in the carousel I have to choose testimonial. Come back to the appearance. From there I am choosing this testimonial 2. The gap in between let me make it 0.9. Okay, as you can see everything is coming perfectly. Click in the carousel, enable the previous and next arrow. The arrow size let me make it 1.4. Remaining here I am keeping everything as it is. If you want to increase or decrease the transition duration always you can do it from here. And in the responsive option actually you can select in which devices how many slides should get displayed. Okay, so next actually I have to design this icon boxes. So for that click in this plus option. Again I have to drag and drop this row session downside. So after that what I have to do, come back to the design option, come back to the spacing. So top I am taking 20 pixel and bottom I am taking 20 pixel. I think top let me take 40 pixel. So now come back to the column, click in this and I have to make it 4. And for the tablet it will be 2. Now click in this, click in the plus option and here actually I have to search for the icon box, this one. Just drag and drop it downside like that. I want a track icon, so I'm typing track. And after that title I want free home delivery. Title tag size let me make it H5 and the description I'm writing over order rupees 500. Now I have to come back to the appearance. So from here I have to choose the icon position left and this also it should be left aligned. After that here to choose the icon style, let me make it solid and the icon size let me make it 1 rem. Now I have to duplicate this one total 3 times more. So next what I have to do, just drag and drop them here like that. Similarly drag and drop it like that. Even for the last one also just drag and drop it like that. Now I have to click in the second one. Here I need the exchange icon and here the title will be this one, description will be this one. Click in the third one and here actually I need the credit card icon. So let me type credit card. This icon's name actually will get from this one. Here you can see one link, click on that and this page will open. So from here whatever the icon you need, suppose I need the credit card. So here you can see the credit card, click on that and whatever the name is displaying here, just copy that, come back here and here actually you have to mention that name. Hope you understand the concept. And here my title will be this one and after that my description will be this one. Similarly click in the fourth one. For the fourth one the icon will be phone, title will be 24/7 support and the description will be always for you. So now let me check the responsive preview. So in the laptop preview it's coming like that. In the tablet preview, as you can see, it's coming like that, and in the mobile preview it's coming like that. So the designing of the home page is complete. If you want to check the page preview after updating, you can click in this icon. So from here also you can check the preview. Let me choose the inspect mode and let me choose the mobile preview. So here also, as you can see, everything is coming perfectly. So now I have to design the about us page. So for that, click in this and click in the exit to dashboard. After that, for adding a new page, again I have to hover on the page and click in the add new option. Page title name I am giving as about us, and after that I have to click in the publish option. Once it published, after that I have to click in the edit live option. So my about us page should be look like that. So before designing the about us page, open the dashboard in a new tab. From there you have to click in this Impreza. After that you have to click in this site layout. From there, make sure this default vertical row indent that will be none, and make sure this should be 0. Okay, after that you have to click in the save changes. So now let me come back here. So first of all, I need this heading. So here drag and drop the text here, and here I have to write about us, make it H1. Come back to the design option, click in the text and make it center aligned. Next, what I have to do, again I have to click in this plus option and drag and drop the inner row here. Now in this inner row I need total 2 columns, so I'm making it 2. Come back to the design option, come back to the spacing. So top padding I'm taking around 20 pixel, bottom padding also I'm taking around 20 pixel. Next, again I have to click in this plus option. After that I have to drag and drop the text in the first column, and my title will be this one. Come back here, and here I have to mention the text. After that I have to make it H2. Next I need the text editor for this text. So again I have to click in the plus option. Here you can see the text block, just drag and drop it downside. After that my content will be this one. Next, click in the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the image. Here you can see the image, just drag and drop it here like that. Now I have to click in this plus option, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, and after that I have to click in the select option. So next what I have to do, I have to click in this inner row, and here you can see this column content position, I have to make it middle. So after that again I have to click in the plus option, and here drag and drop the row / session downside of this session. Here also, first of all let me come back to the design option. I need a little pink color background, very light pink color. I think that's perfect. Next, after changing the background color, come back to the spacing. So here margin top I am taking around 40 pixel, margin bottom also I am taking around 40 pixel. After that padding top I am taking 30, and padding bottom also I am taking 30 pixel. And next I have to click in this column, and here also I need total 2 columns, so let me make it 2. After that again I have to click in the plus option, and here actually again I need this text block, and here my text content will be this one. Come back here, and here I have to mention that, and here I am making it H3. Again I have to click in the plus option. Again I need the text block, and at this time my text block content will be this one. So come back here, and here actually I have to mention that. Next, here also I need another text block, so again drag and drop the text block here, and now my text block content will be this one. So come back here, first of all select everything, remove everything, and paste the content here. Again I have to select the content, and after that I have to make it blank quote. Okay, and after that again I have to click in the plus option, and after that again I need another text block downside, and here actually I have to mention the name. I am writing Simar. Okay, so now let me check the laptop preview. After that let me check the tablet preview, and at last let me check the mobile preview. Okay, as you can see everything is coming perfectly, no need to change anything. Again come back to the desktop preview. So now I need to design this session. After that, in similar manner, come back to the design option. Here in the spacing, top I am taking 20 pixel, and bottom also I am taking 20 pixel. After that I have to click in this, and here you can see the column, I have to make it 2. Now in the first column I need image. Click in this and let me search for the image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it here like that. After that I have to click in this plus option, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the select option. Next again I have to click in this, and after that I need a text option, and my text option content will be natural beauty. So here I have to mention natural beauty, and from here I have to make it H3. After that again click in this plus option and drag and drop the text block downside, and my content will be this one. come back here. First of all, select everything, remove everything and paste the content here. Next, again I have to click in this outside, come back to the column and the content position I have to make it middle. So again I have to click in this, drag and drop the row or session downside. Again come back to the design option, come back to the spacing. So top spacing I am taking 40, bottom spacing I am taking 40 pixel, padding top I am taking 30 and padding bottom also I am taking 30 pixel. I need the same pink color, so let me come back to the background option and from here let me copy the color code, scroll down, come back here, even here also come back to the design option. In the background actually I need that. After that click in the column and column I have to make it 2. So here also again I have to click in this plus option, drag and drop the text here and my heading will be this one. So here actually I have to mention that and make it as 3. After that click in this and drag and drop the text block downside and my text block content will be this one. Copy it, come back here and here actually I have to mention the content. After that click in the plus option. Here also I need another text block and my text block content will be this one. Okay, so here actually I have to mention that. After that I have to select that and make it blank code. Again I have to click in the plus option, drag and drop the text block downside and here actually I have to mention the author name. Here also I have to do one thing, click in this and come back to the column, make it middle. Even I forgot here also, click in this column and here also I have to make it middle. Okay, next again click in this plus option, drag and drop the row or session downside like that. So here also come back to the design option, come back to the spacing option. So margin top I am taking 40 pixel and margin bottom also I am taking around 40 pixel. After that I have to click in the column and I have to make it 2, click in the plus option. So here first of all I need a text, so just drag and drop the text here like that and my text content will be this one. Copy it, come back here, here I have to mention that and I have to make it h2. After that click in the plus option, drag and drop the text block downside like that and my text block content will be this one. So here actually I have to mention that. After that click in the plus option and here actually I have to search for the image, just drag and drop the image here like that and after that I have to click in this plus option and from the media library suppose I am taking this image, click in the select. Next again I have to click in the outside and come back to the column, I have to make it middle. Okay, everything is looking quite good. Now let me check the laptop preview. After that let me check the tablet preview. Once done let me check the mobile preview also. So as you can see everything is coming perfectly. So designing of the about us page is complete. Now I have to create the blog page. Let me click in the update option. After that I have to click in this exit to dashboard. So after that again hover on the pages and click in the add new. Page title I am writing as blog and after that again I have to click in the publish option. After that I have to create the FAQ page. Again I have to click in the add new. So here the title I am writing FAQ. After that I have to click in the publish option. My FAQ page should be look like that. So after publishing you have to click in the edit live option. So first of all just drag and drop the text here and my text content will be this one, frequently asked questions. So let's come back here and here I have to write frequently asked questions. Here I am making it h1. Come back to the design option, click in the text and make it center aligned. Now again I have to click in the plus option and here actually I have to search for the accordion. I mean this one. Okay, just drag and drop it downside like that. So for changing the title of the accordion I have to click in this. Suppose that is the title. After that for changing the content I have to click in this. Now whatever you want to write you can always write here. Similarly for changing the title again I have to click in the second one. Suppose that is the title for the second one. Now here actually I have to add a text block. Click in this and here you can see the text block. Just drag and drop it here like that and after that here actually I have to mention the content. Okay, similarly for adding the another accordion just you can duplicate it. Here you can see the duplicate option. Just click on that. Let me duplicate it couple more times. So now for the third one click in that. Let me first of all change the title and after that click in this and here let me change the content also. Click in the fourth one. Suppose for the fourth one my title is this one. After that I have to expand that. Click in this. Now I have to change the content also. So suppose for the fourth one my content is this. Similarly click in the sixth one. Suppose for the sixth one that is my title and after that expand that. Click in this and suppose that is my content. Click in the sixth one. Suppose for the sixth one that is the title, expand it and suppose that is the content. So in this way you can design your accordion page. Hope you understand. After that I have to click in the update option. If you want to add more accordion always you can do that, but it's a dummy website. I think 6 accordion is enough. Okay, so now I have to design the contact us page. So for that I have to click in this, and after that I have to click in the exit to dashboard. After that I have to again hover on the pages, and after that I have to click in the add new option. So next here in the page title I have to write contact us, and after that I have to click in the publish option. My contact us page should be look like that. So let's come back here, and after that I have to click in the edit live option. So first of all I have to drag and drop the inner row here like that. Next click in this, and from here I am choosing this 1/3 and 2/3. Okay, after that here you can see the gap between column. Let me make it 1.5 rem. After that come back to the design option. So here actually I have to add some spacing. Top margin first of all let me around 50 pixel. Bottom margin I am adding around 20 pixel. After that padding also, top padding I am taking around 30 pixel. Bottom padding also I am taking around 30 pixel. Okay, so next click in this and drag and drop the text here. My text content will be get social. Come back here, and here actually I have to mention the content and make it H2. After that click in this, and here let me search for the social. Here you can see the social links. Just drag and drop it here like that. So as you can see, by default Facebook and Twitter is already present here. Now let me add some more social media. For that I have to click in the add, click in this. Suppose I want to add Instagram. After that here I have to enter the Instagram ID. It's a dummy website, so here I am entering hash sign. Again let me click in the add. Suppose I am adding WhatsApp, and here actually I have to mention the WhatsApp number. Again let me click in the add option. From here suppose I am choosing YouTube. Again let me enter the hash sign. So in this way it's work. Okay, after that come back to the appearance. Here actually I have to make it circle. Next the icon style, let me make it outlined. Next make it fade effect. After that gap between, let me make it 0.4. So remaining I am keeping everything as it is. Next I need another title. So again come back here and drag and drop the text downside, and here in this time actually I need some top padding. Come back to the design option. After that come back to the spacing option. Top padding I am taking around 30 pixel. Okay, next come back to the general option, and here actually let me make it H2. After that I need some icon boxes. Click in this and let me search for the icon box. Drag and drop the icon box here downside of the heading like that. As I tell you before, for the icon actually you have to come back to this side, and from there you have to search the icon's name. Okay, suppose the first one I need this icon, I mean this map icon, and my title will be this one. Next come back to the appearance. From here this icon size let me make it 1.2 rem. Icon position let me make it left, and the alignment also I am making it left. Okay, after that make it solid. Now I have to decrease the font size also a little bit. So for that make it H5. Even H6 also will be perfect. Yeah, that's looking quite perfect. Now let me duplicate it more 2 times. Again I have to duplicate it. Now for the second one click in this. Come back to the design option. Come back to the spacing. The top margin or top padding whatever, let me take around 15 pixel. Okay, next come back to the general option, and here I have to mention phone because I need the phone icon. Okay, but you can see it's not coming. So what I have to do, I have to make it front awesome regular. So now you can see the icon will come. Okay, it's coming perfectly. And here actually I have to mention my phone number. If you have any kind of project, always you can contact with me this number. That is my real number. That is +9178 4246 0057. Okay, you can always WhatsApp me in this number. Next click in the third one. Similarly here also come back to the design option and come back to the spacing, and the top padding I am taking 15 pixel. Next what I have to do, now click in the third one. So now let me click in the general option, and here I have to change the icon. Suppose I want this envelope icon, it's not coming. So let me do one thing, make it font awesome regular. Now it's coming. Okay, so my title will be my email ID. So it's done here. Now here actually again I need another title. Click in this, drag and drop the text here, and the text content will be this one. Come back here. Here I have to mention that, and let me make it H2. After that I need a form also. Click in this and let me search for the form. So here you can see the contact form. Just drag and drop it here like that. So by default total 3 field is present. I think this 3 field is enough. First of all let me click in the first one, and here actually the title, that will be your name, and let me change the placeholder text also. Here I am writing nice to meet. Now click in the second one, and here the placeholder text will be this one, and title will be email. Now click in the third one. So in the third one actually the title will be this one, and my placeholder text will be this. Okay, and make sure the admin email ID should be mentioned here, because in this mail ID actually all the mail will gone. Okay, so designing of the contact us page is also end. So now let me create the order tracking page. Click in the update option. After that I have to click in this and click in the exit to dashboard. Again I have to hover on the pages and click in the add new option. After that, here actually in the page title I have to write order tracking. Sorry, that will be in small letter. Okay, everything looking perfect. Let me click in the publish option, and once it published, I have to click in the edit live option. So first of all, drag and drop the inner row here and make it 2. Come back to the design option. Come back to the spacing. Top margin, let me give around 50 pixel. Bottom margin also I am giving around 50 pixel. Now click in this. Now I have to decrease the gap in between actually. So here you can see by default is 3 rem. Make it single rem, I mean 1 rem. Okay. Now here actually I have to add an image. Click in this and let me search for the image. So here you can see the image. Just drag and drop it here like that. Click in this. From the media library I am taking this image. Click in the select. Now again I have to click in the plus option, and here actually I need a text block. Just drag and drop it here like that. Now I have to click in the text, and here first of all remove everything. After that I have to paste this short code woocommerce _order _ tracking. Okay. After that I have to make everything center aligned. So for that we can do it easily. Click in this inner row, and here you can see this column content position. Just make it middle. Okay. Okay, now it's looking quite perfect. Let me click in the update option. So the order tracking page design is also completed. So next, the most important thing, I have to design the header. For designing the header, again I have to come back to the dashboard. After that I have to create the menu actually. As you can see in the demo website, this home, about us, shop, blog, that is actually a menu. So I have to design the menu first of all, or I have to create the menu first of all. So for that, what I have to do, I have to hover on the appearance, and here you can see the menus. Just click on that. So by default one menu will be there. I don't need that. Select that, and after that one by one let me select everything, because I want to build the menu from scratch. So once you select all, after that I have to click in this remove selected items. Okay. Next I am giving the menu name as main menu, and after that I have to click in the create option. After that let me click in this view all. So from here I need home, about us, blog. After that I need this FAQ, contact us. After that I need this order tracking, shop. Let me click in the add to menu option, and after that actually I have to arrange them a little bit. Like after home there will be about us, and after that this shop will be there. Next FAQ will be there. After that order tracking will be there, and the last will be contact us. Like that I have to design. Okay. And after that I have to click in the save menu option. Once done, now actually I have to create the header. For designing the header I have to hover on the Impreza, and after that here you can see the headers. Click on that. Now for adding the header, first of all I have to click in this add header option. Now I have to click in the plus option, and here you can see a lot of elements. By using these elements you can easily create a awesome header. If you don't want to use this element, this theme offers you predefined header template. So accessing that you have to click in this templates option. Suppose I like this one. Okay, I mean this extended for one. So what I have to do, I have to click on that. See, it's already inserted here. Now you can easily edit that. Suppose I don't want this logo, click in this, and from here you can easily change the image. Suppose I want this image, click in the select option, and here I am making it full size, and here actually I have to enter the website link. So my website homepage link is this one. So here actually I have to mention that. Click in the height. Here I am making it 70. For the laptop also I am making it 70. For the tablet let me make it 60, and for the mobile let me make it 50, and for the sticky header also let me make it 70. For the laptop let me make it 60. For the tablet let me make it 50, and for the mobile also let me make it 50. Okay. And after that I have to click in the save changes. Now I have to click in this edit option for the menu, and make sure whatever the menu you just create, you have to select that. Okay. Distance between the menu item, I mean distance between this home and about us, you can always increase or decrease that. I am keeping the default value, I mean 20 pixel only. Always you can change the color and everything, but everything I am keeping default. So once done you have to click in the save changes. So now you have to click in the edit option here, and one by one you have to enter your Facebook link, Twitter link, Google link, LinkedIn link, YouTube link here. Okay. If you want to add some extra, always you can click in this add option, and from here you can easily choose the social media icon whatever you want. Let me delete that because that's enough for me. Click in the save option, and after that I have to change the email ID also. Click in this edit option, and here let me write my own email ID. Next I have to click in the save changes. After that I have to click in this, and here also I have to change my phone number, that is +91 7842460057, and again I have to click in the save changes. Now let me click in this my account option. Here actually I have to enter the links. Where you can find the links? For that actually you have to open the dashboard in a new tab. After that you have to come back to the pages. Here you can see the my account page. Just click in the view. So from here actually you can copy the links. Like for the order, right click, and after that you have to click in the copy link. Come back here, click in this, and here actually you have to enter the link. Hope you understand the concept. At the place of the favorite, suppose I'm writing account info, and come back here. So here you can see the account details, right click, click in the copy link, come back here, and here I have to mention that. Similarly, for the sign out also, we can easily find out the link. Here you can see the logout, right click, click in the copy link, come back here, and here actually you have to mention the link. After that you have to click in the save changes. So designing of the header is complete. Now let me click in the save changes. Next, what I have to do, you have to click in this theme option downside of this Impreza, okay, this one, and here you have to come back to the page layout. So now here I have to choose the header one what I just create. Similarly for the post also I have to choose header one. For the portfolio also, for everything you have to choose that, okay. Not only that, but also by using theme you can create different header for the page and different header for the portfolio also. What I have to do, whatever the header you made for the page, you have to select here that, and whatever the header you made for the portfolio, you have to select that. But it's a dummy website, I think one header is enough, okay. So next I have to click in the save changes. Now let me refresh the page to check the header is coming or not. Okay, as you can see my header is coming perfectly. So next actually I have to create some blogs, because by default if I click on the blog, nothing is displaying actually. For that, let me come back here. First of all, what I have to do, I have to set up default homepage and blog page. So for that I have to hover on the settings, and after that you have to click in the reading option, and after that click in this, and from here I have to choose home as default homepage and blog as default post page, okay. And after that I have to click in the save changes. Now for adding the blog, what I have to do, for adding the blog actually here you can see the post option, I have to click in the add new option here. For creating the post, first of all you have to enter the post title. After in the downside, here you have to write the post content. Scroll down, if you have any post category you can select that. Let me add one post category, click in this. Suppose the post category name is travel. After that let me click in the add new category. So in this way you can add the post category. Also if you want to add the tags for the post, always you can add that also. And after that here actually you have to set the feature image. Click in the set feature image, and from the media library, suppose I am taking this image, click in the set feature image, scroll up, and after that you have to click in the publish option. So in this way you can create a post. For adding a new post, again you have to click in this add new option. Again here you have to enter the title of the post, and after that here I have to enter the content of the post. Scroll down, if you want to choose the category, always you can do that, and after that you have to choose the feature image for the post. From the media library, suppose I am choosing this image, click in the set feature image, and after that let me click in the publish option. In this way let me create some more posts. So as you can see here I already create 8 posts in different categories. Now let me come back to my website, click in the blog. So as you can see all the posts are coming perfectly. Let me click on a post. Okay, everything is working perfectly as I want, okay. If you want, always you can change the design also. I'll teach you later, don't worry. So now let me create the mega menu for the shop page. If you come to my demo website, as you can see when I hover on the shop option, a mega menu is coming. So let me design that. So for that, first of all I have to come back to the appearance, and after that I have to click in the menus. First of all just drag this shop option downside, okay, and after that I have to search for the product category, but by default the product category are not displaying here. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click in the screen option, and from here you have to choose this product category. Now if you scroll down here you can see product category are displaying perfectly. Let me click in the view all. So let me select the bag and all the subcategory of the bag, after that beauty product, and after that all the subcategory of the beauty product. Similarly let me select the man's dress and all the subcategory of the man's dress. Similarly for the woman's dress also, click in the woman's dress and all the subcategory of the woman's dress, okay. Next you have to click in the add to menu option. After that, what I have to do, the bag will be the subcategory or sub item for the shop, and this handbag, laptop bag, ladies bag, luggage bag, that will be the sub item for the bag. Similarly beauty product will be the sub item or subcategory for the shop, and this body oil, face care, makeup brush, makeup kit, that will be the subcategory or sub item for the beauty product. Similarly man's dress will be the sub item for the shop, and this coat, jacket, t-shirt, winter dress, that will be the sub item for the man's dress, okay. Similarly for the woman's dress also, that will be the sub item for the shop, and this bikini, casual dress, formal dress, party dress, and the winter dress, that will be the sub item for the woman's dress. Once done, you have to click in this save menu option. After saving, after scrolling here you can see one extra option already added. Click in this drop down setting, make it auto. If you want always you can make it full width also, and if you want to make the custom width, always you can select the custom, and after that you can always choose the width. I'm choosing auto. After that, drop down to, so at which place this drop down should be appear. Suppose I am making it right. After that, how many column will be there? Total 4 column is there, so I'm choosing 4 because I add total 4 main category. Okay. If you want to change the background image and all, always you can do that, but here everything I'm keeping as it is. After that, you have to click in the save changes. Now let me come back to my website. Let me refresh the page once. Okay, it's not coming perfectly. Let me do one thing, make it full width, and after that let me click in the save changes. You can come back here and refresh the page once. Now let me check. Okay, now it's perfect. So now what I have to do, just drag this shop option after the about us. Okay, now let me click in the save menu option. Come back here, refresh the page once. Okay, now everything is perfect. Even if I click on the home option, as you can see, home page is also coming perfectly. By default, if I click in the shop page, you can see my product are displaying like that. But I want my product should be display like that. At the top of the page, I want this shop title, and after that, this filter also I want. So for that, what I have to do, I have to click in this Impreza. After that, I have to click in this content template. From here, I have to click in this add content template. I am giving the title as shop. After that, I have to click in the update option. Next, I have to click in this edit live. So first of all, drag and drop the text here, and the text will be shop. Make it H1. Come back to the design and come back to the text and make it center aligned. After that, I have to click in this spacing. So here margin top I am taking around 40 pixel, and margin bottom also I am taking around 30 pixel. Next, I have to click in this, and here I need grid filter. Here you can see the grid filter. Just drag and drop it downside. Now one by one I have to add all the filter. First of all, I have to choose the product category, and from here I have to choose drop down. Next, again I have to click in the add option. Next, I have to choose the price from here, and in the price I have to choose number range. Again I have to click in the add option. After price, I have to choose the product capacity. Click in this, and here you can see the product capacity, and that will be drop down. Again I have to click in the add option, and from here let me choose the product color. That also will be drop down. Again let me click in the add option, and from here let me choose the product size, and that also will be drop down. Scroll up, click on the appearance, and I have to make it center aligned. And here you can see a lot of effects, so whatever you like you can choose, but I think the default one is looking more better, so I'm choosing the default. Okay, I mean this one. Next, again I have to click in this plus option and drag and drop the grid downside like that. First of all, directly come back to the design option because I need some gap. So here you can see spacing. Top I am taking 30 pixel, bottom also I am taking 30 pixel. Now come back to the general option, and from here I have to choose products. Item quantity, let me make it 12. Come back to the appearance. So from here let me choose the shop modern. Column, let me make it 4. Gap, let me make it 1 rem. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Let me click in the update option. After that, what I have to do, you have to click in this exit to dashboard. After that, I have to click in this Impreza and theme option. From there directly come back to the shop. So here I have to choose shop. So from here you can see the shop page. Let me choose shop. After that, let me click in the save changes. Now let me come back here and refresh the page once. So as you can see, that is my custom shop page. So now if I click on the product, it's coming like that. I think it's looking quite beautiful. If you want to change, always you can do that. This theme provides you ability to customize shop page, single product page, checkout page, cart page, whatever the WooCommerce page is available, everything you can customize by using this Impreza theme. And that is the most important reason behind this theme's popularity. So now let me teach you how you can design this custom made single product page. So for that, again I have to click in this content template. Again I have to click in this add new content template. I am giving the content template name as single product page. After that, I have to click in the update option. Once it updated, I have to click in this edit live option. First of all, just drag and drop the inner row here, make it 2. Come back to the design option, come back to the spacing. Top I am taking 40 pixel, bottom I am taking 30 pixel. Next, click in this row and session, come back to the column because I want to decrease the gap. I think 1.5 will be the perfect. Okay. Next, click in this plus option, scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the product gallery. Just drag and drop it here like that. After that, again I have to click in this plus option. Let me search for the breadcrumb. Just drag and drop it here like that. Next, again I have to click in this let me search for the post title. So here you can see the post title, just drag and drop it here like that. Again I have to click on this plus option and let me search for the product data. So here you can see the product data, just drag and drop it here like that. So if you want to display the price, just select the price. So many options is displaying. After that, come back to the design option. Let me increase the font size a little bit. The font size, let me make it 30 pixel or 35 pixel, whatever. So next, just duplicate it. Come back to the design. I need some spacing. Top I am taking around 15 pixel, and come back to the general option. And from here, let me choose this one, list of attributes. Next, come back to the design option. Here you can see the line height, let me make it 40 pixel. The font size, let me make it 20 pixel. Again, let me copy it one more time. Click in this duplicate option, and from here, let me choose the SUK. So again, let me duplicate it, and from here, let me choose the stock status. Again, let me click in the plus option, and here let me search for the add to cart. I mean this one. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Again, I have to click in the plus option. Now let me search for the post content. So just drag and drop it downside. Come back to the design option. After that, I have to click in the spacing, and from here, top I am taking around 30 pixel. Come back to the general option and make it full content. Come back to the mode option and enable that. Next, again I have to click in this plus option, and here you can see the inner row. Just drag and drop it downside. Click in this and drag and drop the text here, and the text will be a related product. From here, let me make it heading 2. Click in this, and here you can see the grid option. Just drag and drop it downside of the related product. Click in this, choose this one, this item with the same taxonomy of the current post, and from here I have to choose product category. Here I am choosing 4. Come back to the appearance, the column, make it 4, and click in this, scroll down, let me choose the shop modern, the gap, let me make it 1 rem. So as you can see, all the related products are displaying perfectly. Again, let me click in the plus option, and here I have to search for the post because I need this one, this post previous next navigation. Just drag and drop it downside like that. Come back to the design option, come back to the spacing, and margin top let me take around 30 pixel, and margin bottom also I'm taking around 30 pixel. Okay, it's coming perfectly. So now I have to click in the update option. Once it updated, click this, click in the exit to dashboard. After that, hover on the Impreza and click in this theme option. From there, I have to click in the shop option. So in the shop, actually, if you scroll down, here you can see the product. Click in this, and from here I am choosing single product page. Let me click in the save changes. Now let me come back here. Let me refresh the page once. Okay, now this custom made single product page is coming perfectly. Now let me create a custom blog page template. So for that, again I have to click in this content template, click in the add content template. After that, let me give the content template name as blog. Let me click in the update option, and after that I have to click in this edit live option. Now first of all, drag and drop the text here. Here I have to write blog, make it heading 1, come back to the design, click in the text and make it center aligned. After that, scroll down, click in the spacing, margin top I am taking 50 pixel, and bottom I am taking around 50 pixel. Next, what I have to do, click in this, and here you can see the grid. Just drag and drop it downside like that. So by default that is post. I am keeping everything as it is. Let me make it 8 because I want to display total 8 posts. Next, come back to the appearance, click in this. There are so many styles available for the blog template. You can choose according to your need. I am choosing this one, this top image, date comments, I mean this one. Column, let me make it 3. After the regular grid, make it missionary. Yeah, it's looking quite cool. If you want to decrease the gap, always you can decrease it. If you want to add the filter, always you can do that. Filter by category, you have to enable that. So in the top here, you can see all, travel and uncategorized, like that, okay? Because I add only single category, so single category displaying here. Filter by style, there are total 3 styles present. So whatever you want, you can choose according, okay? And after that, you can change the alignment also. So once done, you have to click in the update option. Next, what you have to do, you have to click in the exit to dashboard option. From there, I have to click in this Impreza and click in the theme option. From there, you have to click in this page layout. So here you can see the post. I have to choose the blog, and after that I have to click in the update option. So now you can see my blog page are displaying like that. It's really looking awesome. So now let me teach you how to design the footer. So for that, again I have to come back here. Here you can see the page block. Click on that. After that, I have to click in this add page block. I am giving the page block name as footer. After that, again I have to click in the update option. Next, I have to click in this edit live option. Now just drag and drop this row session here like that. First of all, directly come back to the design option. I have to choose the background. I want little pink color background. So now let me decrease the opacity. I think that's perfect. Next, scroll down a little bit. So here you can see the spacing, click on that. Padding top, let me take around 40 pixel. Padding bottom also I'm taking around 40 pixel. Next, click in the column, I have to make it 2. Gap between the column, let me decrease and make it 1 rem, okay. After that, make it middle. Next, I have to click in this plus option, drag and drop the text here like that. And my content will be this one. Make it heading 2 from here. Come back to the design option, and here you can see the text. I have to change the text color to white color. After that, I need a form, so click in this. Let me search for the form. So here you can see the contact form. Just drag and drop it here like that. I does not need this. Let me delete that. Click in the OK. Even this one also, because I need only email. Expand this. Title I do not required, and the placeholder will be enter your email. Field required, yes, that is required. Next, come back to this button. At the place of the submit, I am writing subscribe us. Remaining everything I am keeping default. Directly come back to the more option, and here let me make it horizontal. Gap in between. If you want to decrease the gap, always you can do that. Suppose I am making it 0. Okay, it's looking perfect now. So next, click in the plus option, and here again drag and drop this row session. And here also, first of all, I have to change the background color. Click in the design, click in the background. Let me choose the pink color, and after that I have to decrease the opacity. That's looking quite perfect. Come back to the design option. So next, click here. Next, let me click in the spacing, and now expand the spacing. So the top padding I am taking 50 pixel, and bottom padding I am taking around 50 pixel. Now I have to click in this column and make it 3. Again, click in this plus option, drag and drop the text here like that. And here I am writing socials. Let me make it H2. Even H3 also will be perfect, I think. Click in the plus option, and here let me search for the social. Drag and drop the social link downside. So by default, Facebook and Twitter is there. Here actually you have to enter your Facebook page link and Twitter handle link. Let me add the Instagram also. Click in this and let me search Instagram. This one. And here also let me enter the hash sign, and let me add the YouTube also. So here you can see the YouTube. Click on that, and here I am entering hash sign. Okay. But here actually you have to enter the original link. It's a dummy website, so I am entering the hash sign. Now come back to the appearance, make it circle. After that, icon style I am keeping simple. Icon color I am making it text, and theme color. And after that, make it slide. Remaining everything I am keeping as it is. Next, if you see my demo website, at the downside of the quick navigation, here you can see there is a menu actually. So for that menu, first of all I have to create the menu. Let me update it. After that, click in this, and from there let me click in the exit to dashboard, and hover on the appearance and click in the menus, because I have to create a menu. So now for creating a menu, I have to click in this option, create a new menu. Okay. After that, here actually I have to enter the menu name. I am giving the menu name as footer menu. After that, let me click in the create menu option. Once done, let me click in this WooCommerce endpoint. So from there, let me choose order, download, address, payment methods, and logout, lost password. Click in the add to menu. After that, I have to click in the same menu option. So again, hover on the appearance and click in the page blocks. Hover on the footer and click in the edit live option. Now drag and drop the text here. Here I have to write quick navigation and make it H3. Click in this plus option. Let me search for the menu. Here you can see the simple menu. Just drag and drop it downside. Okay, it's coming perfectly. Click in the menu item. Let me decrease the gap. I think 0.5 will be the perfect. Yes. Next, click in this plus option again. And here I need a text. Just drag and drop the text here. And here I have to write content, and here I am making it H3. After that, again I have to click on the plus option, and here actually I have to search for the icon box. Here you can see the icon box. Just drag and drop it here like that. Come back to the design option, because I need some spacing. Top I am taking around 10 pixel, and bottom also I am taking around 10 pixel. Come back to the general option. So here first of all I am writing phone. The title will be the phone number. Come back to the appearance. Make it left, make it left. Now let me copy it one more time by clicking in this duplicate option, and for the second one my icon will be envelope, and at the place of the title I have to write my email ID. Let me decrease the opacity of the background color a little bit. You can come back to the design, click in this, and let me decrease the background color opacity. I think that's looking quite good. So after that, again I have to click in the plus option, and again I have to drag and drop this row session downside. Again I have to come back to the design option. The background color I want deep black color, and I need some padding also. Click in this spacing. Top padding I am taking 5 pixel, and bottom padding also I am taking around 5 pixel. And come back to the column, make it 2. After that, click in this, drag and drop the text here like that. Here the content I am writing my copyright line, and after that come back to the design. The color I have to make it pure white color. Next, here you can see the font size. Let me make it 12 pixel. I think 12 is very less. Let me make it 14 pixel. And another thing I forgot, I have to make it center aligned. Click in the column and make it middle. Okay. Now again click in this plus option, and here let me search for the image. So here you can see the image, just drag and drop it here like that, because here actually I have to add the payment gateway image. Alignment, that will be right aligned. Click in this plus option. From the media library I am taking this payment gateway image. Okay, as you can see everything is coming perfectly. Let me check the tablet preview once, and after that let me check the mobile preview. Now in the mobile preview actually click in this, come back to the design option, click in the text, and I have to make it center aligned. Even for the images also, come back here and make it center aligned. Okay, now everything looking quite perfect. Let me come back to the desktop preview. So now let me click in the update option, click in this, let me click in the exit to the backend. After that I have to click in this theme option. From here I have to click in the page layout. Footer, I have to choose footer. Even for the post also I have to choose footer. For the portfolio also I have to choose footer. Once done, you have to click in the save changes. Now let me come back to the website. Now let me refresh the page once. So as you can see my footer is coming perfectly. Let me come back to the home page. So as you can see everything is working perfectly. The last thing, come back to the dashboard, click in the settings option, and make sure you enable this one. Okay, anyone can register. Scroll down and click in the save changes. I am ending the video tutorial here. If you have any kind of doubt regarding this tutorial, always you can ask me in the comment section. If you really like this video, please like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification from my YouTube channel. If you have any WordPress related project, always you can contact with me with this number or with this email ID. Thank you. Have a nice day.